go to the gym to keep our bodies healthy. But what about our mind? Have you ever thought that our mind might also need some help in order to be healthier? Mental health is not just for people with anxiety or depression. It is for each and every one of us. Just like your body, your mind also gives you signs of breakdown. But just that you ignore it and you don't notice the same. We try and keep pushing it aside, thinking that it's no big deal. Please make sure that you're watching the video till the end. Only then you will be able to know how it can be avoided, what are the signs, and what is the best that we can do to stay away from depression and anxiety. Most of the people ignore small signs like irritation, getting temperamental very easily, tiredness, losing interest in a lot of things that you have been doing, just not having the patience or the mind to listen to anything, things that you really enjoyed doing, and suddenly you see that drop in that entire enthusiasm. All these are slow signs of your mind getting towards depression or anxiety. But we do not take these as signs at all and just keep ignoring them over a period of time. So, my dear friends, today's video I'm going to talk about how you can identify and how important it is for you to realize these signs of your mind and take the necessary action at the right time so that it doesn't become big and you don't get into the medical nuances of it. Most people ignore small signs like sleepless nights, overthinking, irritation, sudden anger, lack of motivation, and constant tiredness. These are not just phrases, my dear friends. They are SOS signals of your mind that you need to cater to and immediately start working on it. In this stage, you don't need medication. You need awareness, guidance, a healthy routine, sometimes a mentor or a life coach like me who can help you process what's happening and just understand and very easily get over it without actually getting into too much of your medical. Just like we go for a health checkup for our body, we need a mental health checkup for our mind too. Early awareness can prevent long term mental health issues like anxiety, disorder, and depression. So, you need to be really careful, understand these small signs of your mind, and keep working towards it. How can we avoid slipping into depression or having anxiety issues? Let me give you a few pointers quickly. The first point is please prioritize your mental health. It's very important, just as you have regular checks on your body, have a regular check on your mind as well. Seek help at early signs itself. When you're having a sleepless night, you've not been able to sleep for an entire week together, you are feeling very anxious, please make it a point to talk. Don't let it all bottle up and become big, where the breakdown will be huge and then dealing with it will become even more difficult. Self care is not selfish. It is important to prioritize and give importance to your own self and take care of yourself. Coaching or mentorship can help you realign your thoughts before medical intervention is needed. Reason why I always tell, a lot of people in India, still this awareness is not there. People are still not knowing the importance of talking at the very early stage to a mentor or to a coach like me so that you can avoid that whole post medical issues later. These are the important steps. Now, the next question that you can ask me is how do we know, or how do we know something is going off? So, these are the things that you need to look out for. Continuous fatigue even after proper rest. You're losing interest in things you really enjoyed doing once. Overthinking on small issues where even little thinking is not required. Feeling anxious or low or in a row of days together. Wanting to isolate yourself, not wanting to meet people, not liking the company of people who you really enjoyed and you wanted to be with. And the last and the most important point, negative self-talk or guilt. If any of these or a combination of all of these or a few of these is happening, you should understand that it's the time where you need to take a call, where your mental health is taking a hit. It is telling you that it needs help and you need to start working on it. Taking care of your mind is not a luxury, my dear friends. It is a necessity. And we need to understand this. The earlier we understand, the better it is for our mental health, of course, and the physical body as well. Don't wait. I always say this, please don't wait for a breakdown to start working on your breakthrough. If you're feeling stuck, stressed, or lost, please reach out. Sometimes all it takes is that just one conversation to change the entire direction of your life. If you found this helpful, please share it with someone who might need to just hear this at this point of time today. Let's make mental health awareness a daily practice and not an emergency reaction. The more we start realizing and understanding this, the more you will get to know about it. So subscribe to my channel for more such insightful updates on your mental health and happiness. Until then, it's me Neha signing off. Bye bye. You can call or WhatsApp on the number displayed on the screen for professional help or any kind of personal counseling.